Alright guys, in this video, I think I'm gonna try out monkey blocks, or I don't know how do you guys say it. So, what the flip is this? So item caught. What the frick? And cut back in. Kaboom! Alright. So I literally had to look it up because I'm freaking stupid. So, oh, I want it. Oh no, never mind. Oh wait, let me just look in shop first, cause I want to see what's in shop. So actually cut and cut back in. All right. I don't think it matters which way you go, right? Yeah. Oh nah, what the flip? Hang on, of course it's pay to win. My bad. I want that. I could be so sick. Ooh. Anyways, let's not get distracted. Oh. Yo. I have actually not seen this, and I know it came out probably a week ago or something. I guess that's how you become small, and that's how you become big, right? Hey, how do you become big? Wait, what? Hey. Yo, what? Well, it already has. Yeah, it already has. Get rid of that. You know, why don't we make a mansion house? Why not? Yeah, guys, I know, pretty smart. Don't judge me, please. I'm gonna make it right here. I'm gonna make the empire. Get back up. How do you get it on it? Oh! Alright. Where was that bit in here? Oh, that's so much easier than I thought it was. Oh, I see. Bam. Alright, there we go. Now we gotta just increase the size. Yeah, anyways, let's not get distracted. I'll make a video where I just doing stuff with it out of it. I'm gonna bring myself back in. Oh, dang. Yeah, I guess that's how the whole thing is. Pretty sick actually. They made it so that you can make your own thing. You can have a private server. You can go in other servers right here. But yeah, it's basically that one update where there was a small room and they cut it and then they closed it and then they just made it into a bigger size and cooler. But that is pretty sick, bro. Let me try to get up there. See guys, I'm like that, bro. Holy, this is, oh my god, bro. This is an actually good hiding spot. I would not see anyone up here. It's also really high, scary. I'm scared. Anyways, yeah. I think they might make a secret out of this map. That would be really cool. Oh crap! Anyways, Anyways, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll make a part 2 out of it, so don't worry.